Hello friends, in this video lecture, we will see working of application layer with its services. In last video lecture, we have seen data encapsulation associated with OSI reference model. And in data encapsulation, we have seen that at sender side, flow of data is there from top to bottom, and at receiver side, flow of data is from bottom to top. We know that application layer is the topmost layer in the OSI reference model, that is layer number 7. With the help of application layer, user can interact with the system. Means application layer is basically software version of the terminal through which we can interact with the system. At sender side, user sends data to application layer, and at receiver side, application layer sends data to user. So that is the user interface function of application layer. So at sender side, user sends data to application layer, that is layer number 7. So data received there at application layer is data 7. After receiving data at application layer from the user, application layer adds its own information in the form of header 7, that is H7, as we have seen in the data encapsulation process. And this wrap data, that is data 7 plus H7, is sent to the lower layer, that is presentation layer, through interface between layer number 7 and the layer number 6. This presentation layer further sends data to lower layer through again interlayer communication. In this manner, there is a vertical flow of data from top to bottom at sender side, and at receiver side, data is received there at the physical layer, and that physical layer sends data to upper layers through vertical communication. And after receiving data at presentation layer unwrap part of the data and sends remaining data to application layer. Application layer unwrap data 7 and header 7. Means it removes header 7 from data 7. Header 7 is removed by application layer because it is added by application layer of the sender. It seems that there is direct communication between application layer of sender and application layer of receiver. So this type of communication is known as peer-to-peer communication, as we have seen in the previous videos. But actual flow of data is here from top to bottom at sender side, and at receiver side there is bottom to top. So after unwrapping header 7 from data 7, this remaining data, that is data 7, is sent to user through user interface, and user receives data which was sent by the user. So this is working of application layer. Now let's see the services provided by application layer. First service is network virtual terminal. As we have seen that application layer acts as a user interface between network terminal and the user. Means at sender side, user sends data to application layer, and at receiver side, application layer sends data to user. So that is user interface function. Means it acts as the interface between user and the terminal. And this user interface is possible with set of program. So we call that application layer as a software version of physical terminal. Then this application layer allows user to log on to remote host. Means with the help of World Wide Web, we can log on to remote host or we can access any type of information on the globe. Then next is file transfer access and management. Application layer allows user to access files in remote host to make changes, or it is used to read data to retrieve files from the remote computer. Means with the help of application layer, we can access files on the remote host, we can make changes on that file, or we can retrieve files from the remote computer. Application layer manages or control files in remote computer locally. The best example is AnyDesk type of system. With the help of AnyDesk, we can access remote computer locally. Then next is the mail services. Under this mail services, application layer provides basis for email forwarding and storage. Means for entire email functioning, application layer acts as a platform. Along with that, with the help of application layer, we can forward email or we can store information associated with email services. Next is the directory services. Under this, application layer provides distributed database source and access for global information about various objects and the services. Then next is the remote logging. As we have seen in the previous services, that remote logging is done by accessing the computers on the remote host. And for that, we use several protocols. Then World Wide Web is there. With the help of World Wide Web, we can access information globally, or we can post our information globally with the help of World Wide Web, that is www. Along with that, application layer provides protocol that allows software to send and receive information. Some common protocols are there associated with application layer. First one is the telnet, stands for telecommunication network. Second one is the DNS, stand for domain name system. Third one is the DHCP, that is dynamic host configuration protocol. Then FTP, that is file transfer protocol. Then TFTP, that is trivial file transfer protocol. Then SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocol. HTTP, that is hypertext transfer protocol. SNMP, that is simple network management protocol. And NFS, that is network file system. So we will have separate lecture based on the protocols associated with each layer. So details working of this protocol will be seen in upcoming videos. So we stop here. Next video lecture, we will see working of presentation layer. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, stay connected here with this channel.